Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Nadula. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. Now I do want to mention that these little goodies that I am showing you guys right now, Nadula is offering it to the first like 50 people per each day. So you can use my coupon code, and I have it listed somewhere down below, and you guys can get you some goodies, honey. Okay, so right here I'm showing you guys the wig. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and this is a closure type of unit. Okay, so you cannot part this wig anywhere else. And child, I had to get rid of that red lipstick that I had on from a previous video and put on something else, but I'm gonna do that later. So right here you guys can see me cutting out the lace and all that good stuff. I'm gonna just go ahead and get into styling this wig. If you are interested in any details and specs and all that good stuff about the wig, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, love bugs, so I'm obviously finished styling this unit, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this wig was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking today is their Nadula hand-tied lace closure wig, brighter than 99J wig, long straight wig, burgundy red wig, invisible knots wig, human hair wigs. Like, honey, literally all of that is on there. This unit, you can get it in between 14 to 24 inches. If I'm not mistaken, the company said that they was gonna send me 24 inches. I could be wrong, child, but that's what I think, honey, okay? I'm not 100% sure. You can get this wig in Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, and Indian. I think I have it in Brazilian. So it says hair color red, not 99J, they got red, girl. It says length 14 to 24 inches, average cap size, a natural black cap, capless cap, I don't know what that means. And it says natural root to tip hair only, can be ironed, bleached, and dyed. And yeah, that's pretty much all the details and specs. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the pictures and stuff, just so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like on the site versus what you see here, honey, okay? As I stated, if I'm not mistaken, this wig that I have is in 24 inches. Let me see if they got it on the pack. Sometimes they do. Yeah, I have 24 inches, I think now, because they got it written a little weird, but I think it is, I have it in 24 inches. This unit does not come with any dark roots. Now, when it comes to dark roots, and if you're somebody that's like, girl, you know, I can't do no hair without dark roots, I get it. I know a lot of people like that. I get it, girl. All you gotta do is apply like some spray, or you can just use mascara and darken it up. A lot of people just use the mascara. It's easier. And just, you know, kind of brush it in that general area, and you can have dark roots. Like if you're just, you know, totally against having a wig that doesn't have dark roots. Trust me, girl. I get it. Okay. This color is just like one of my go-to colors. Not this light. I usually go for a 99J. And as they stated, this one is lighter than 99J. It's a lot more red. It's almost like a plum, purplish type color, more so than the regular 99J. 99J tends to be a little darker in my opinion. Oh, shedding and tangling. Now, honestly, y'all, it doesn't tangle at all. As far as the shedding, I did tweeze this wig a little bit in the top, and I did layer it. So I have hair everywhere, but honestly, I didn't notice any hair prior to me doing that. So I want to go and say it's not shedding yet. Okay, doesn't mean it won't shed at some point. I want to say it's not shedding yet, girl. So yeah, keep that in mind. I don't know if I saw the density of this unit anywhere. Let me just check. Hold on. Yeah, I don't see the density of this wig anywhere. I would say 150-ish. Like, yeah, I'm gonna say it's 150. I could be wrong because I did thin it out by layering it, but that's what I'm gonna go with. But like I said, I could be wrong, girl. I don't know. That's what I'm gonna go with. Okay. What else? As far as the cap construction, I do feel like even if you have a water head, that you can still make this wig work. Like whether your head is big or small, I think you can make this wig work. I do have the strap suggested, and right now I do consider myself more on the small head side of the spectrum, girl. But yeah, either way, I do feel like you can make the wig work. So no worries there, honey, at all. Okay. And it is more on the silky side. Now, I do typically prefer a more yucky texture, but honestly, I'm not mad at this texture whatsoever. It just feels good anyway. It feels good anyway. Like if I'm gonna have a silky texture, straight wigs are usually what I would prefer. If I just gotta have silky, I don't mind it in my straight units. Oh, the closure. So this is a lace closure. Now you cannot part this wig anywhere else, but you don't have to wear it in the middle part. And that was another thing I wanted to just show you guys how this wig will look if I just shifted it to the left a little bit. You can shift it to the right a bit. You can do whatever you want to, honey. It's your wig. So even though it is a lace closure parting, you can still just shift it and wear it on either side. It's not going to be that big of an issue. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a length check so you can maybe see the lengths, you know, whether or not me shifting it made a difference or not. You'll be able to really see it. So yeah, let's do a quick length check. Okay, so this is all of the hair brought to the front. Keep in mind that I am 5'4", so this is where it comes to me. And I did cut it a smidgen, so keep that in mind too when you're purchasing and trying to decide your length. And this is where it comes to me in the back. You guys always know what I say about my rolls, honey. Don't mind my rolls. there for dinner. Okay, so if you're interested in how I feel about this wig as well as what all I did to it, then please continue to watch. Okay, so yeah, I love this wig. I love this color. This is just one of my, like I said, go-to fall colors. I love colors like this during the fall. Like it's just one of my things, girl. Okay, it's just one of those things. Now, like I stated, I do typically go for more of a 99J color and than this, but I ain't mad at Miss Redhead either, girl. Okay, so this one is a lot more red than I would normally go for, but I am not mad at her, honey. Okay, she is still an entire vibe. I love the color. Like I said, I do feel like people may be a little nervous about it not having any dark roots, but that is an easy fix. You can add your dark roots, girl. If I can add dark roots, anybody can add dark roots, because I am nobody's beautician, honey. Nobody's beautician. So yeah, if I can do it, you can do it, okay? Now, what else I wanted to say? As far as what I did to it, I did decide to layer it some, as well as tweeze it a little bit. Girl, I thought I was tweezing on camera, but I was not, honey, okay? My camera was not recording nobody, okay? So I'm so sorry about it, but I did tweeze it just a little bit, not a whole lot, but it was looking really, really dense and looking really, really helmetish and just looking real crazy for a minute. Okay, so I did do that. I did tweeze it just a smidgen, and I did flat iron it, and I did hot comb it, and add my little ghetto fabulous baby hairs, girl. I'm still working on the ghetto fabulousness of my baby hair, so just bear with me, girl. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm feeling it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. It's a look. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. Would you wear it? What are your fall colors, honey? Let me know what hair color you like to wear in the fall, or if you just wear any color through any season. Just let me know down below in the comments. And once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. And yeah, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.